Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning how to play the song I Surrender by Ryan Ellis. There it is. We are going to be playing this song in the key of C. If you guys can take the time to subscribe, we are literally about to reach 500 subscribers. So exciting. Thank you guys for the ones that have already subscribed. It really means a lot to me, and we're going to be getting to 1,000 subscribers, God willing. So if you want to see that journey, then go ahead and subscribe. Anyways, here we go with this song, key of C. Like I said, we are going to be playing C shapes, originals in C. It might be a little high for some people, but I'm just going to go ahead and do the original. If you guys want to see this song in a different key, let me know. Without further ado, let's get started with this song. I surrender, I surrender all. Whatever you say, God. It's whatever you say, God. So that is the verse. It's a little high, like I said. Well, somewhat high. So what I'm doing here is going to be palm muting a little bit, just for the beginning, really. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can. You want to get your pick, if you have a pick. You're going to have your palm on the very bottom right there, right? So it's gonna be if y'all have heard the other song, You Saved Me by Ryan Ellis, it's kind of similar, the strumming pattern. So strumming pattern, we'll get into that after. So first we're going to go ahead and do the chords. Chords are going to be your C shape, right? So it's your C chord. Then you're going to switch to your G chord. Okay. And then you're going to go to your D minor. Now the D minor is optional. It's kind of like a passing tone, so you don't have to do it. You could skip it, but I like the way it sounds. So D minor, and then A minor, and then F. Okay, together it should sound like this. So that is your chorus. Strumming pattern, like I said, is going to be mostly down strumming because we're palm muting. So it's down, 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 up, down. So you want to go up when you're switching. So from C to G. Down, 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 down. Down, down. So that's with palm muting. Strumming pattern is going to change a little bit once we go ahead and stop palm muting. Once we stop palm muting, regular strumming is going to be so it's similar, but obviously different because now we're strumming. So you could go ahead and play along to that. I would try to leave the pattern right here somewhere, and you guys could, like I said, you guys could follow it. One thing that you want to keep in mind is you want to go down, up, down every time you switch chords. So when I'm strumming is I am actually pressing and I'm slightly letting go of the pressure on the chord. Also with the G, you could palm mute a little bit to have that same effect, because obviously even if you let go of those chords, they're still playing those open strings. So you want to palm mute the G, palm mute a little bit of the C. Moving on into the interlude. This song we're gonna be going into the I'm surrendering all to you. So here's my heart. So that interlude, it's a small little interlude. He sings that part, right? After that interlude is just gonna be C. Surrendering to your G, all to you. So here's my heart. So your A minor and to your F. Okay. After you do that interlude, we're gonna go into the bridge. So the bridge goes like this. I wanna see your kingdom and your glory all of my days, all of my days. Wanna see your kingdom and your glory all of my days, all of my days. Wanna see your kingdom and your glory all of my days, all of my days. Wanna see your kingdom and your glory all of my days, all of my days. I wanna see. So that's the bridge. It builds up obviously, but same idea, same strumming pattern. We're gonna go with the C to your G, your A minor to your F, and it just repeats that, right? So after you build on that bridge, you're gonna do it 3 times. After your 3rd time, you're gonna go back into your chorus. You're gonna go into this little tag. You're gonna do a small instrumental with the same chords. Here's my heart. Take it, it's yours. Take it, it's yours. Here's my heart. Take it, it's yours. Take it, it's yours. So you build on that tag, and then eventually you go back to your chorus, right? So for the chords there, I'm playing A minor on Here's My Heart. Here's my to your F. Heart, take it to your C. It's yours, take it, it's to your G chord. Yours. And it just repeats that. You're gonna do that tag 4 times. And then you go back to your chorus. And once you get to your chorus, that's pretty much where the song ends. It's gonna be a pretty short tutorial. Very easy song by Ryan Ellis, key of C. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe. We will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you guys so much. By the time y'all see this, we're probably going to be hitting 500 subscribers. So such a huge thank you to every single person that subscribed. It really does mean a lot. And honestly, I never thought I would even make it this far on YouTube, but I'm glad I can be of service to you guys. Have any suggestions of songs y'all want to hear, any tutorials y'all want to see, then let me know. Leave it in the comments, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.